Hey everybody, welcome back to the shack. Today's an exciting day in the shop because the xTool F2 Ultra UV has finally arrived. This is my very first UV laser and I've been looking forward to it for a long time. I haven't seen one of these up close yet, so this is going to be a real first look at the machine, the packaging, and everything that comes in the box. I'm really curious to see how xTool has put it together and what accessories they include. To start, let's talk a little bit about what this machine is. The F2 Ultra UV is a 5-watt, 355 nanometer ultraviolet laser, which is designed for precision engraving and marking. UV lasers like this are known for being able to work on very small details, and they can engrave on materials that might be difficult for other standard lasers, like CO2 or diode lasers. They can do things like glass, acrylic, and crystal. That's part of what makes this so exciting. This machine opens up a whole new world of possibilities. The F2 Ultra is advertised as having a laser spot under 10 microns, which is extremely fine. That level of precision allows for incredibly detailed engraving, even on very small or delicate items. I'm curious to see how this machine feels in person and how everything's laid out inside the box. Now, in terms of working area, the standard surface engraving bed is 200 by 200 millimeters, which comes out to about 7.9 by 7.9 inches. That's a generous size for most projects. There's also a smaller 70 by 70 millimeter inner engraving zone. That's roughly 2.8 by 2.8 inches, which is used for things like engraving inside glass or crystal blocks. So the machine has both a main workspace and a smaller, highly precise area for more specialized engraving. I'm looking forward to seeing the accessories and extras that come with the F2 Ultra UV. xTool usually includes things like power supply, cables, safety gear, and any tools that might be needed to set up the machine. I want to go through everything step by step so we can see what's inside the box and how it's organized. One of the things I like to do during an unboxing is take a moment to just appreciate the build quality. Even before you power anything on, you can tell a lot from how a machine is packaged and put together. That's part of the excitement today, seeing this for the first time, getting a feel for the design, and understanding what you get with the F2 Ultra UV. This is the part where anticipation really builds for me. I've been waiting for this machine for a long time, and now it's finally here in my shop. It's always fun to take the first look, carefully go through the box, and see how everything is arranged. Unboxing is more than just opening a package. It's about discovering what the manufacturer thought was important to include, how well it's protected, and how it's meant to be used. So that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to open the xTool F2 Ultra UV box together, go through every piece, and get a good sense of the machine itself. We'll see the body, the included accessories, and everything that makes up this UV laser system. I'm really looking forward to this, and I think you are too. So let's get into it and see what's inside the xTool F2 Ultra UV box. Okay, so we're going to open the box. And the first thing we see is styrofoam. We'll lift this out. And this is the accessory pack. Set that aside. And they give you two nice straps to pick this up with. We're going to need them. So at first glance, this is a very sturdy machine, very well packaged. I love the foam casing, and I love the fact that they put those straps to help lift it out. So let's start to open the rest of this and get it actually open. There's tape on both sides, and then we can open the door up. Inside, we've got a bracket that we're going to need some tools to take off. So let's look inside the packaging. I believe this is it. It's a little Allen wrench screwdriver that I dropped. And it does fit. So we'll take off this bracket. And let's lay it on its back so I can get to the others. There's two more screws at the top. That we have to take out. They come from the other side. And that frees up the shipping bracket. Now I'm going to close the cover and lift it back up. So once you get that bracket off, there's a styrofoam package inside it. and that is the inner engraving pack. This allows you to engrave inside of crystals. It looks like it has the platform, which I'm going to have to assemble. One crystal to actually try engraving inside it. And the inner engraving lens. Putting all of that aside for a moment, let's see what's in this pack. This is a materials pack. And it just comes with a little bit of wood, some business cards, and some things to try engraving on. Here we have an instruction manual and a safety manual, a quick setup guide. This would be the power supply. This is the control panel, very similar to the one the F1 Ultra and the F2 have, F2 Ultra. This would be a cutting tray, so that you can cut on it without damaging the bed of your laser. An exhaust hose, a USB cable, and a power cord. And let's not forget the most important part, the laser itself. So now let's assemble the riser for the inner engraving. These two pieces look like they just slot together. And we need these screws. Goes together pretty quick and easy so far. And it looks like we repeat the process on the bottom. And that is the riser bed assembled. This piece here is used to adjust it for the size crystal you're engraving. And these two extra screws are what screws it down to your laser bed. And we'll demonstrate how this riser bed fits the main bed. You put it in the center and you tighten down the two screws. And then you would put your crystal on it. And it's ready to go. Of course, you would unbox your crystal first. All right, folks, that's going to do it for today's unboxing of the xTool F2 Ultra UV. I've got everything laid out on the bench. Everything arrived safely, and now I can finally get to spend some time going through all of it and getting familiar with the machine before we move on to setup and calibration. I've been waiting on this laser for a long time, and having it here in the shop feels great. There's a lot this thing should be capable of, especially with inner engraving and detailed UV work. And I'm really excited to start exploring all of that in future videos. But for now, today was all about having to show you exactly what comes in the box, how it's packaged, and what you can expect if you decide to pick one up for yourself. If you enjoyed this unboxing, or if you just want to follow along as I start running this machine through some of its paces, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming setup, calibration, and of course the actual engraving test once I get everything dialed in. I've got a lot of projects planned with this machine, and I can't wait to share them with you. As always, I appreciate you spending some time with me here at the Shack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.